Hungry? Thirsty? Woody's got you covered. We're unlike any restaurant in Moreno Valley. Our brewmaster expertly crafts freshly brewed beers from vat to tap. Our in-house smoker slow cooks our barbecue for a perfect slice of paradise. We have a full menu of casual and elegant cuisine, including our gourmet Woody's Original Burgers, as well as delicious lunch and dinner buffets. Join us for our daily happy hour and world-class entertainment every night. Woody's Restaurant and Craft Brewery. Your night out just got a whole lot better.